Hi, future me. I hope you're doing well. Whenever you're watching this, right now, it's February 22, 2025. And I'm recording this from Chicago Street, Tagpuan ng Rizal. I wonder where you are and what you're doing as you watch this. At this moment, it's my day, February 22, and I'm also 19 years old, and life so feels exciting. I wanted to make this video to remind you of where started, the things that matter to you, and the dreams you once had. Let me call about my life right now. I'm currently schooling at ICCT colleges. I am first year criminology student, and I'm also working student. My work is construction worker. Some of the things I enjoy doing right now are playing basketball. I've been spending a lot of time with my friends, family, and pets, and they mean so much to me. I hope you still keep them close. One of my biggest challenges right now is work as a student, but I'm working on it. I hope by the time you watch this, you have overcome it and grown stronger. Right now, my biggest goal is to accomplish my studies and fulfill all my dreams because I wanted to become a police officer. I hope by now you've accomplished it or at least made progress. Life can be unpredictable, but I hope you're happy with where you are. No matter what happened, I want you to know, keep striving for the best. I hope the answer to the last question is yes. If not, don't worry, you can still change things. No matter where you are now, I just want you to know that I'm proud of you even if things didn't go as planned. Remember that every step, every challenge, and every success has made you who you are today. Keep going, keep dreaming, and never forget the person you once were. You are stronger than you think, and I believe in you. Take care, future me. I hope to see you again in another video one day. Bye.